he had some 340 pages or so, and was having dinner at a steakhouse in a small town west of Denton, and he saw a church bus. And painted on the church bus was Lonesome Dove Baptist Church, I think is what it was. And it clicked, and he said, "That's the title of my novel." And so he dropped Streets of Laredo, which ironically then became the title of the novel that precedes Lonesome Dove, that picks up Call's story. But within a few months, he had banged out 1,600 or so pages of what became, Lonesome Dove. So